I could be the kind of girl that you could be down.
Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexander here. If you are new, if you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to glam makeup look. This is something that I'll do when I'm headed to an event or hanging out with friends, or I'm just going somewhere and I want to look, nice. This is a look that I will do. It's super easy. So enough of me rambling. Let's get straight into this video. Alright, so per usual, I've already done my eyebrows and one eye off camera. So today I will be taking the James Charles Morphe palette, and the first color that I'm going to be going into, I believe this is called 10% off. Alright, so I'm going to pack this color on the lid. Okay, next on my Morphe 507 brush, I'm going to take the color or shade Coat James here. I'm gonna go back into 10% off. All right, I'm gonna go into the shade No Beans here. Stay in this area because I just want to add a little bit more depth to this look. So now I'm not defining the crease, or I'm not cutting the crease or anything. I'm just going to place a wig here all over my lid. Take my NYX Angel Ale primer. I'm gonna take this NYX Liquid Illuminator in Sun Goddess, and I'm going to apply to the places where I normally highlight. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. A little of this can go a long way. I just somehow end up always using too much. And that's with any foundation really for me, so whatever. And further blend it out. I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 42. take my Real Techniques 402 setting brush and just blend out those highlighted areas. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance concealer stick in 8003.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you keep you in the frame of my mind?
I'm gonna take NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and just set my entire face with it. For blush today, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow Alert from the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. Going to set my face using the Mario Badescu Rose Water with Herbs and Aloe Spray. Alright, for highlighter today, I'm gonna be taking MAC's Gold Deposit. So, per usual, I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Chestnut. I'm gonna take NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss and Sugar Mama.
Don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my
And just go over that with Ruby Kisses Crystal Gloss. Alright, that is it for today's video. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, Auntie.
Hey, cousin, how are you doing? So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.